Is this what I think it is? Is this the moment I've been waiting for? I think it is! I think it is! He's coming this way!
Well, what happened, Mom? What happened?
I think my catalogs are here. Where is he? Stop. Can you bring them over here? Can you bring them here?
Did you get it? Did it come in?
Yeah. Yeah!
I think she's happy. I don't know.
Guys, this is a vision realized. Thank you so much.
Yep. I got a few more.
Printing Center USA. They did their big one.
Oh, wow.
Thank you. Oh, this is heavy.
Jeez, watch out for my shoes.
2,500 copies.
2,500 is kind of crazy.
I have a special announcement. Today I received a special delivery from Printing Center USA showcasing my amazing author catalog. And yes, the final copies look just as amazing as the proofs. Thank you, Printing Center USA, for doing an amazing job. Guys, they are the same company that I use for my coloring book, and the customer service and quality has been unmatched. I'm so glad I chose to go with Printing Center USA. So check out the color. The font just jumps off the page. And do you see that scissor line there for families to be able to easily cut out their order forms? It looks amazing. So the Amazing Author Catalog is coming to a school, a child care center, a family-based organization, the YMCA near you. Look out for us.
Get online, pick a design.